What is up, guys? Today we will talk about how you guys can fix the Sims 4 error code 102. Now, suppose you are trying to turn on the Sims 4 game and you are getting this error code 102. Well, this error can occur due to some of the reasons, so I'm just going to tell you how to fix it. To fix it, you just need to follow this 50-50 method. Move all the mods and custom content to a temporary folder on your desktop. Now, reintroduce a few files at a time and then start the game to check if it loads properly and everything works. Delete the local thumb cache.package from the Sims 4 folder. Repeat steps through until you checked all the files. Just keep on, move the four modes to the desktop and check if the game runs. Go back and try it, copying the new mode, and just keep on doing this with the different files. Once you will be able to find a faulty file or a faulty mod, you will know that this is the mod which is causing that error. Just delete it and download it once again. So that's pretty much it. That's how you'll be able to fix the error code 102. Hope you guys find this video helpful.